Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Let's continue our lessons on vowel sounds in American English. So if you really want to improve your pronunciation, my recommendation is always to focus first on pronouncing the vowel sounds properly. If you can do that, you will eliminate an accent and sound like a native speaker. Okay, so our next vowel sound is what we call the short U sound in American English. So let's get started. So first we're going to review what we've studied already, and if you haven't seen these previous lessons, you can go back. You'll find them on our homepage. So our first lesson was the short A, and it's represented by this symbol, and the sound is as in bat, cat, hat, rat, sat, have. Next, the short E, The short E is represented by this symbol. So whenever you see this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet, you say E. So bed, red, fed, yes. Next we have the short I, which is represented by this symbol. And when you see this symbol, you say as in it, sit, hit, bit. Next we have the short O, which is represented by this symbol. When you see this symbol, you say top, pop, mop, hop. Okay, and now that takes us to our new sound. So listen to this sound. So this sound is represented by this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. When you see this symbol, you should say So let's try a word. Okay, I'm going to add another sound, the N sound. So if we have N. So I'm doing it a little differently this time. I'm showing you the International Phonetic Alphabet first, and then we'll figure out which word it is. Okay, so I'm going to add another sound. S, n, n, sun. Put it all together. Sun, sun. What word am I saying? Sun, as in the star in our sky. Sun, 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 sun. Let's try another word. S, us, us. What word is this in English? Us, 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 us. Let's try another word. D, k, d, k. Put it all together. Duck, duck. What word is this in English? Duck, duck, as in quack, quack, duck. Okay, so let's look at some examples here. So remember sun. So we can say something like, the sun is very bright today. The sun is very bright today. The sun is very bright today. Us, us. They are going to give us some food. They are going to give us some food. They are going to give us some food. Duck. There is a duck in the pond. There is a duck in the pond. There is a duck in the pond. Okay, so we can add the short U to the list of vowel sounds that we know. So remember us, sun, duck. Let's practice with a few more words with the short U. So remember bud, mud, bug, hug, mug, rug, gum, hum, some, fun, run, sun, butt, cut, hut, nut, cup, pup, bus. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks very much for watching. Remember, please like, share, subscribe, and when you're ready to go on to the next lesson, please click on the video that appears here on your screen. I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day.